GWM Australia gears up for aggressive expansion. In 2026, GWM Australia is poised for its most ambitious year yet, with 10 new or updated models confirmed for launch in 2026. Building on a record-breaking 2025, the company's best sales year to date, GWM plans to significantly expand its product range, dealer network, and staff to challenge established automakers in the Australian market. The goal? Secure a top 5 position within the next 2 years. New models across the range. GWM will broaden its lineup across its sub-brands, including passenger cars, SUVs, and utes. The company will continue to invest in plug-in hybrid, PHEV, and electric vehicle, EV technology, while also maintaining a focus on traditional combustion engines. Most notably, GWM's new 3-liter turbodiesel engine will debut in Australia, powering the Canon Alpha Ute and Tank 500 SUV. This engine will deliver increased power and torque compared to existing GWM diesel options. The Tank 300 and Canon Ute will also receive PHEV variants, with the Tank 300 High 4T arriving in April and the Canon High 4T slated for mid-2026. The Haval Jolion Max, a larger SUV than the current Jolion model, will be GWM's first Haval-branded EV, available in both PHEV and EV configurations. The Aura electric range will also expand with at least 2 new models, potentially including the Aura 5 SUV and Aura Sport Sedan. Luxury expansion with Way. GWM will introduce its premium Way brand to Australia in the second half of 2026, starting with a luxury people mover known as the 80, G9, or Gayashan in other markets. This marks a significant step towards competing in the higher-end segments of the Australian auto market. Network and staff growth to support its aggressive expansion. GWM will increase its dealer network by 10% from 123 to 135 locations by year-end. The company is also growing its workforce by 20%, with new leadership roles in customer experience, parts, and logistics. These investments underscore GWM's commitment to improving after-sales support, parts availability, and technical training. Market ambitions. GWM recorded 52,809 deliveries in Australia in 2025, making it the best-selling Chinese brand in the country. The company aims to surpass 60,000 sales this year, with a long-term goal of achieving a 7% market share by 2027, roughly 87,000 vehicles. GWM's COO, John Kett, clarified that while the brand is ambitious, it is setting realistic targets of around 75,000 units in the coming years. GWM's expansion faces competition from established Japanese and Korean brands, as well as other rising Chinese automakers like BYD and Chery. The Australian auto market is becoming increasingly competitive, with multiple brands now vying for a top 5 position. GWM's success hinges on its ability to deliver a diverse range of vehicles across all fuel types, while overcoming the challenges of brand recognition and market dominance held by established competitors.